Reflow soldering is the core process of SMT production, and the process is as follows. First, check the status of the PCB and components. Confirm that the solder paste is within its shelf life and complete the equipment parameter debugging. The solder paste is accurately printed onto the PCB pads through a screen printing machine, and after AOI inspection, the components are mounted in place using a surface mount machine, and the mounting accuracy is checked again. Subsequently, the PCB enters the reflow soldering furnace. The preheating zone evaporates the solder paste solvent and uniformly heats it up. Activate the flux in the constant temperature zone to remove the oxide layer. The temperature in the reflow zone rises above the melting point of the solder paste, and the solder melts to complete the metallurgical connection. The solder in the cooling zone solidifies to form solder joints. After welding, the quality and function of the solder joints are inspected by visual inspection, AOI, and power-on testing. Defective products are repaired, and residual solder on the surface of the PCB is cleaned if necessary, ultimately achieving a reliable connection between the components and the PCB.